Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Jason, aka J Million NYC here. I'm back to bring you another video. It's been a while. I'm actually here to show you the Urban Armor Gear Civilian case for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3. Last time I reviewed the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 case, also by Urban Armor Gear, which is right here. So you can see they made some modifications. It's a lot thinner than it was before, and that's also thanks to the hinge on the Galaxy Z Fold 3. As you can see, it's not as much of a gap, but it's designed much better now. You can see the button layout. As here, there's a cutout for the Z Fold 2, but on here there's just a cutout for the power button, and they actually made buttons for the volume controls. You can also see here as well, the camera cutout is not as high. A little bit more detail. It's not as boxy as the Z Fold 2 case was as well. But one of my favorite things so far as well is you can see the screen, the cutout for the screen. It's not as deep as it was on the Z Fold 2. Like I could put most of my thumb under there, where on this one it's not as much. So there's some good things as well. Also on the Z Fold 3, instead of it being one piece like how this is with the hinge, which I never was a really big fan of anyway, here it's broken down into two pieces basically, and it does protect the hinge when it's open, but when it's closed, it does expose it. I don't really have a problem with that. It still makes the case feel nice. And as like I said, it's not as big and bulky as it was before. So as far as swiping up, swiping down, typing and so forth, it's not as bad as it once was, which is good. So as far as this case is concerned, it is two pieces, so you can easily take them off here. So there's one piece, and this one slides off. There is adhesive tape on the area of the case here. So there's little strips here, but I never really, and there's some here, but I never really use them. I mean, I guess probably also because I've been switching cases out here and there as well. But yeah, haven't really found much issue with it. It's easy to put back on as well. You slide it right on, and that's it. So I mean, this is just a quick overview of the Urban Armor Gear Civilian case for the Z Fold 3. This is in their blue colorway. They do have it in a couple of other colors as well. If you do want to read more, you also want to see more about this review, like a full-on review, you can check the website, G-Star Mag. We'll have a full-on written review about the case and let you know my final verdict. But, I mean, as I said, I love it way better than how this case was. I used this for a few days, had to take it off just because of how unusable it was as far as the thickness and the bulkiness. But this, I've used it on and off for a good week now. I mean, I've switched between a couple other cases, which I also put a video up for as well. But for now, yeah, this case has been pretty top notch. So yeah, stay tuned. Check out the next video. Thanks for supporting.